Welcome, welcome everybody. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for being present. It's called the pupil you need to see through. Classes of Session Volume 1. So open up your mind, your heart and your spirits. Look beyond the veil. Look beyond the curtains. Look beyond school so you can hear him. Then you will keep burning, keep yearning and ever learning. Then you will know him. Because Isaiah 26 verse 9 says, with my soul have I desired thee at night, with my spirit within me will I seek thee early. For when the judgment of the Lord is in the earth, the inhabitants of the world will lend righteousness. So welcome class, welcome world, welcome church, welcome, welcome. It's Classes of Session Volume 1. I see you all though, I see you all.